I'll get it down. Give me some time. I'll get it down. I'll get it down. Give me some time. Give me some time. I'll get it down. I'll get it down. Give me some time. Give me some time. Give me some time.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bali here. In today's tutorial, I created a natural everyday makeup look. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is priming my eyelid with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I go ahead and blend that out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I blend it out with some translucent powder. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy Fuego highlight, and I find that this makes a really natural brow bone highlight. And I've really been loving this highlighter. And next I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Satin Bronzer, and I usually put this in my crease when I'm doing an everyday makeup look just because it gives a really nice warmth to the crease. And for mascara, I'm using the Tarte Tartist mascara, and this is my eyes without lashes with just mascara. And for lashes, I'm going to be using the Sofie Bali lashes, and these are my favorite lashes right now. Super wispy. If you want that look of eyelash extensions but you don't want to pay for eyelash extensions, I highly recommend this style. It's so natural, so wearable, and it's so comfortable, most importantly, and it could be reused up to 30 times. So to hydrate my face, I'm using the Bare Minerals Good Hydrating Primer, and as you can see, it's a really milky texture, but it's super hydrating, and I feel like it makes my makeup last a really long time, but it still keeps my face super hydrated. It doesn't dry me out like a lot of the other silicone primers. And I'm mixing the Estee Lauder Double Wear Nude Water Fresh Foundation and the Charlotte Tilbury Unisex Healthy Glow Primer. And I'm going to be putting that on my face with a kabuki brush. As you can see, it's a pretty natural finish, but it's still pretty dewy, and it covers up a little bit of the discoloration that I have, so it does the job. And I'm going in with the Anastasia Liquid Glow Illuminators, and I mixed Peach Fuzz and Perla. And this is my first time putting on liquid highlight before powder. I always do that later on, but I chose to do it first today just to see how it was going to look different, and I actually really enjoyed it. And for concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just putting it on certain areas where I feel like I need a little bit more coverage, and then I blend that out with a damp beauty sponge just to really melt the products together. To set the face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and if you guys have been watching our videos, you know that we use this powder every single day. It's my favorite powder right now, and I like to bake under my eyes and down the sides of my nose, but I only let it sit for a couple of seconds because I do not want it to be too dry under there. For highlighter, I'm going in with the same highlight that we used on our brow bone. It's the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy Fuego highlight, and it's super it's super golden, and I feel like it suits my skin tone really well. And for bronzer, I'm using the BH Cosmetics Satin Bronzer, the same thing that we used in our crease. And I've really been loving this bronzer. At first it looks like it would have a little bit of shimmer in it, but once you apply it to the skin, it just gives a really healthy glow. For blush, I'm using the California blush from Benefit. And if you guys are looking for a blush that's kind of similar to the NARS Orgasm blush, but a little bit more of a warmer blush, then I highly recommend that one. That one's my go-to. And for lip gloss, I'm using the Dose of Colors Over the Top lip gloss, and that's also in collaboration with Desi and Katy. And this gloss is really nice because it gives such a reflective shine, but it's not sticky. It's super comfortable to wear, and I really enjoyed this look. It was so different for me to do a natural everyday look, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.